Good morning students. This video is for class 3 science and today we will start a new chapter called Some Properties of Water. First you have to understand what is water. Water is that substance which actually makes life possible on earth. If there is no water, suppose if there were no water on the earth, life wouldn't be possible. Every living organism needs water to survive. For human being, if you see, human being is that organism, is that living things which needs the most quantity of water in their daily lives. So water is very important. Water is very precious, very important for us to survive on this earth. If there are no water, as I have said, life wouldn't have been possible on this earth. Water is the most abundant and precious substance on the earth. So water is the most abundant, means it is found in huge quantity and it is the most valuable, most precious substance that we find on this earth. It is found in water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds and even under the ground. So water is found almost everywhere on the earth. It is found on the oceans, it is found on the seas, it is found in rivers, it is found in ponds, it is found in lakes, it is found in streams. Even water is found under the ground. Those water are known as groundwater. It is that water which we pump out using submersible or some other machines to use for our own purpose, for our daily purpose, like for example cooking, bathing, washing clothes, drinking and everything. So all living things need water to live and do many activities. So water is required by each and every living things. There is no living things which do not require water. Water is required by each and every living things. That is why it is considered as the most precious thing, most valuable things, and that is why it is found in so much huge in quantity. We already know that water is a liquid and it has no color, taste, smell or shape. So water is that substance, which is found in liquid form. In the previous chapter we have studied about solid, liquid and gases. So water is found in liquid form and it has no color, no taste, no smell. Pure water. In fact, we have to mention that pure water has no color in it, no taste, no smell. It can change its form and exist in all the three forms on the earth. So as I have explained you all in the last class, in the last chapter, the water is a substance which is found in all the three forms. Water can be found in solid state, that is the form of ice. Water can be found in liquid state, that is in the form of liquid itself, and water can be found in the gaseous form, that is water vapor. So water can be found in all the three forms. Solid form is ice, liquid form is the water itself, and if you talk about the gaseous form, it is water vapor. So remember children, water is very important for us to survive. It is the most valuable, precious thing that is required for us to survive. And water has no color, no taste, no smell, and water is the substance which can be found in all the three different forms, that is solid form, liquid form and gaseous form. So children, for today let us keep it till here. In the next class we will study about properties of water. What are the characteristics of water? So for today up to this much. Thank you class.